So I've got all those cut, all those little notches out there. The actually big notch. I'll do the little notches in a few minutes. I'll be cutting this part out, and I'll show you. I keep all these little blocks. It's pretty funny because a lot of times I'll take a lot of this scrap and I'll cut into squares and triangles, and there's some people who have little children and they make great blocks. I mean, build houses, all kinds of stuff, depending on what kind of angles and stuff I make for them, you know. And it never goes waste. But anyway, so that's that. So I'll show you how to cut this little one out. This comes off. I have a little block here that I have marks on, so I know where to set this for a certain spot. And then I gotta get the depth that I want, which I haven't a clue yet. Actually, it's about 9/16, and I gotta do a practice run. I have music going on all the time here, so I just do this so you can hear me if you need to, so it's not this boring around here. Lower this down. I will finish cutting all those and actually show you how to cut that out.